What did you do after withdrawing some money at the bank?
What did I do? I went to the supermarket to buy some apples. Making sound
1. Lower the tongue. 2. Open the mouth wide and make the sound.
The sound comes from the back of the mouth.
I like to cook after work.
I came here by public transport.
How did you come here?
Making sound I.
Sound I is a combination of sound R and E.
Would you like to apply for private health insurance?
Yes, I would like to.
Please write your name in capital letters and sign here.